Hey everyone, and welcome to A to Z TV. We're hyped up and we're acting crazy. Say hi!
Hi!
Yeah, she said hi. That's awesome. Actually, it's funny. She was making God knows what the hell noise she was making. What was that? I don't know. You were making some sort of crazy noise, and I was trying to hope the people heard it. See, she's acting just as crazy as I am today. See? Eh? Because we're into a fun day of, like, what I did, which was talk to everybody's favorite friend today, which is why my sanity is in question, but that's okay, because we're more fun like that.
Your sanity's always in question. What are you talking about?
Okay, she's right. My sanity's always been in question. Oh god. Okay, well, you guys are in for a hell of a random vlog. Because we have no idea what we're... Yeah, we have no idea what we're talking about today. Wow. Shit. Well, I know she wants a bunny or some sort. She was making a big deal about a bunny. Okay. Yeah, she apparently found a very cute bunny. I don't think it was Bugs Bunny. Okay, well, like I said today, I'm going to do a couple things for you guys. I'm going to show you the lovely picture of, I guess, the bunny that she keeps going on about. And we're going to show... okay, yeah. That, and we're going to shoot... What? Okay, then. Yeah, I'm gonna stop filming for just a second so I can bring up all the stuff I'm gonna show you guys today. So yeah, cool transition. Guys, the first clip you're gonna see is of Toby doing the blah 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 thing that we went over yesterday. Yeah. So anything you want to say before I set up the clip? Okay, I guess that's a no then, guys. So. Okay, here's the randomly awesome clip of Toby. Yes, doesn't he look scared, people? That's okay. Yes, that's probably exactly his reaction.
Sorry, I'm shutting up now.
No, it's okay. It's awesome. You're making the video better. Okay, guys. Now, because she keeps telling me, show you the darn bunny, I'm going to show you the darn bunny.
Show the dang bunny.
Okay, I'm showing the dang bunny. Here is the awesomely cute bunny that she kept speaking of. Isn't it awesome? Yes, there is the cute bunny. I'm going to, stop filming, though, for a second, because, trust me, like I said, there's going to be more fun clips coming up. So... cool transition! Yeah, guys, now I'm going to show you guys the awesomely cool stylings of Toby's dancing genius. Anything you want to add before I play this?
Nope.
Okay, well, that works. Yeah. Okay, see, here's him trying to dance. Yes, he is. He is rocking it. There he goes. Yes, and that was the cool styling of Toby. Oh, what were you saying?
Oh, wow.
What died now, I guess? Oh, well.
Stupid bunny.
Damn, bunnies. Yes, I know this vlog has seriously been obsessed about cute bunnies and bunniness, but it's kind of it's kind of just been one of those random days where we've been both kind of nuts. Hopefully, Yes, and then now she's talking about Charlie the Unicorn. If you haven't watched it, go check it out. It's funny. It's on YouTube. It's called The Adventures of Charlie the Unicorn. Yes, that's right. We're going on an adventure. Okay, I think that we've let our insanity run long enough, so I'm gonna wrap this up. I know this has probably entertained you guys, so why don't you say goodbye to everybody?
Bye!
Okay. Till tomorrow. Have a good day and a pleasant tomorrow.